Hello, I'm Mihela. Shall we talk about a bird you may wonder why it's called that name? The common tailorbird. The common tailorbird is a songbird. The edges of a large leaf are pierced and sewn together with plant fiber or spider silk to make a cradle in which the actual nest is built. It gets its name from the way in which it builds its nest by stitching leaves together. A common inhabitant of parks, gardens and wooded areas across South and Southeast Asia. A warbler-like bird with a green back, a reddish crown and a long bill. It is a common resident in urban gardens. Although shy birds that are usually hidden within vegetation, their loud calls are familiar and give away their presence. Their fast calls are like their slow calls are like locally named Battichcha. I have seen the common tailorbird few times. As mentioned, it is an urban bird. One of the most visited tourist attractions in Colombo is Gangarama Temple. Apart from being a Buddhist temple, it also has many relics and antiques, which makes it more like a museum than a temple. This is a must-visit place.